Welcome students to another video of English grammar. In this video we are going to learn our lesson number 23, that is conjunctions. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words and sentences. Let's read how the conjunction and does that. For example, I like reading and cooking. Here the word and joins the words reading and cooking. I bought pink ribbons and some silver paper. Here the word and join the group of words pink ribbons and some silver paper. I met Surbhi. I met Meera. I met Surbhi and Meera. The word and joins the two sentences here. Usage of the conjunctions and, but, or, so, for, nor and yet. We use and to join the following two words of the same part of the speech. Tennis and badminton are two games played with a racket. A noun and a pronoun. For example, Nina and I went to school together. Two sentences that have the same idea or the connecting idea. The girl went to the market. She bought a pair of shoes. Now by joining two sentences with the connecting idea, the girl went to the market and brought a pair of shoes. We use but to join two opposing ideas. Chocolates are sweet but lemons are sour. It is bright during the day but dark at night. We use or to give a choice or an alternative item or idea. You can drink milkshake or have orange juice. We can go to Chennai or Nainital during the vacation. We use so to show the result or the consequences of something. We needed a few things for our project, so we went to the market. My mother was very tired today, so father and I cooked dinner. We use for to explain the reason or the purpose of doing something. He could not attend the party yesterday for he was unwell. Reason: the teacher wanted colored paper for the origami, that is purpose. We use not to join two negative ideas. I don't like summer, nor I do like the rainy season. He does not play tennis, nor does he play badminton. We use yet to show a contrasting idea. For example, Neha was tired, yet she walked all the way home. Mother was hungry, yet she waited for father for dinner. Usage of some more conjunctions. Now we will see more uses of conjunction. We use because to show the reason for something. We took Medha to the doctor because she had fever. Mohan could not attend the event because he was not in town. We use since to refer to the time in the past when something started and continues to the present time. My arm hurts since I have fractured it. Many changes have taken place since she left the institute. We use as to show reason or when something is being done. For example, we went to school early as we had to conduct the morning assembly. As the teacher entered the classroom, everyone stopped talking. We use although and though to show a contrast in ideas. Although the sweater was thick, it was not very warm. Though we reached the auditorium early, we could not get good seats. We use while to show two actions happening at the same time. I sat beside my ailing grandmother while she slept. The teacher was teaching while the students were listening to her. We use until to refer to something that would continue up to a particular point in time. For example, you may not get to know your true potential until you try. She told me to wait in the park until she comes. We use that to show the purpose of something. Beena promised her mother that she would keep her room clean. Vipul told us that his family would be moving house soon. We use after to show two actions with one happening later than other. My mother left for office after I had gone to school. There was a lot of excitement after the principal had shared the news. We used before to show two actions with one happening earlier than the other. I have finished my homework before my friends came over to play. She was already convinced before I said anything. We use so that to show that second part of a sentence is the result of the first part. For example, Megha ran to the bus stop so that she could catch the bus. I woke up early so that I could reach the station on time. We use unless to show the result of something that may happen if something else is not done. My father said that he would not take me to the theme park unless I completed all my holiday homework. He will not do this unless we motivate him.